जिंदगी के अंदर अपने ख्वाब, अपने विजन, अपने करियर, अपनी गोल्स, अपनी डेस्टिनी, अपनी स्टोरी बनाने के अंदर इस टाइम पे यू माइट बी इन 4 स्टेजेस राइट नाउ। नंबर 1, ईदर यूर इन द स्ट्रगलिंग फेज, आप ट्राई कर रहे होंगे इस टाइम पे, ईदर यूर ट्राइंग राइट नाउ, college students trying to graduate, businessmen trying to put up some good business experiments, you might be trying things right now. Number 2, कुछ किले हार रहे होंगे, कुछ किले जीत रहे होंगे, कुछ किले रिटेन कर रहे होंगे. This might be one of the situations with you. Number 3, या आप अच्छी खासी मार खा चुके होंगे and right now in the process of falling down and nothing is working for you. कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा, सब total going flop, no ideas, nothing working for you. And your 4th situation would be, you have dropped the ball, you have dropped the catch, you have decided to be a spectator rather than being on the pitch. You have given up, या आपने हार मान ली होगी, and you have decided कि I am a common, average, ordinary human being. ना मैं दीन के अंदर इमाम बन सकूंगा, ना मैं दुनिया के अंदर कोई entrepreneur बन सकूंगा. This might be the 4th most miserable situation with you right now if you are in it. You have decided I'll be a slave rather than being an employer. So you need to put up some really good questions. How are you going to come out of this hell? इस कालक से बाहर कैसे निकलेंगे? What am I supposed to do right now? ये हो सकता है आपने सवाल ही पूछना छोड़ दियो कि अगर मैं डिस्कस करूंगा और जब मेरी वीकनेसेस सामने लाई जाएंगी तो I can't face myself. Life is an ongoing process. And when Allah says in Surah Hijr, wa'bud rabbaka hatta, this hatta in Arabic is a continuous process with human being. ये जिंदगी रुकती थोड़ी है, मौत तक सांस नहीं रुकना इंसान का. तो इंसान का इस दुनिया के अंदर अपने किसी फनून उलूम के अंदर कमाल तक पहुंचना कैसे रुक सकता है? द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम विद सक्सेस एंड इज इन सक्सेस कि उसके बाद जो अगली डेस्टिनी उससे रिलेटेड है ना, टू टेल योरसेल्फ लेट्स गो टू वॉर अगेन मैन, लेट्स डू इट अगेन. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. छोट हारी हुई पोजीशन में से खड़ा होना ना, दैट्स इजी बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम यू आर एंग्री, यू आर इमोशनल, यू आर मोटिवेटेड, यू आर रेडी टू पंच द बॉल. बट व्हेन द वॉल हैज ब्रोकन डाउन एंड यू हैव अचीव्ड समथिंग इन योर लाइफ, दैट इज द मोस्ट हार्डेस्ट सिचुएशन इन योर लाइफ दैट यू से I will go and learn for the second step again, because at that time भूख मर जाती है हमारी. We settle down. और दीन में भी यही हुआ. If you have conquered 5 prayers, do you think the job is done? No. You still need to perfect that prayer. And even if you have perfected the 5 prayers, you still need to stand for tahajjud. And if you have done the tahajjud, then you need to go for the awwabins. And if you have done the awwabins, then you need to go for the Monday and Thursday rozas. And if you have done with the Mondays and Thursdays roza, you have to go for the 13th, 14th, 15th of every month of going to the roza. It never stops. It never stops till you die. This is the problem and this is the beauty of this life, that you need to keep moving. And what is the problem with us is जब भूख मर जाती है, it is because you're not sincere with the vision. You are actually dealing with your psychopathy, your and mind demented self. पूरी हो गई, you said fine, throw the ball, I'm done, I don't want it more. You just want to open one restaurant and that's it. You are not that thirsty and not that hungry to pull that off. And success is the killer and drainer of every beautiful human being that is so much capable of doing such great works in this world. Success is the biggest horror that you're going to face, not your defeat. क्योंकि थप्पड़ शायद उठा सकता है, जीत इंसान को बहुत खराब कर देती है. So if in these 4 situations which you are right now, these are the 4 situations you might be right now. Either you're winning or you're losing, or you're struggling, you're winning something and you're losing, or you have given up the ball, you're sitting like a duck. You've decided to say I can't do it, खलास हो नहीं सकता. You've been defeated because of many reasons, but you're not coming back. You're not trying back hard. You're not coming back to the pitch and you're not getting at 5 a.m. in the morning for the Fajr Salah and for your exercises. This is the spiritual suicide of a talent. This is a spiritual suicide of a potential. This is a spiritual suicide of the gift God has given you. I am talking to that person who's willing to reactivate his life. I am talking to that person who wants to change the definition of living. Dreams, visions, accomplishment, achievements, attainment, what he is, what he wants to be, where he is, where he wants to be. This is the जो इसको तलाश करने के लिए बैठे ना, brother and sister, I am talking to that person who wants to change. Because if you want to change the world, you must change. If you want to change, you must change. Nothing will change. The economy won't change, your paychecks won't change, nothing would change if you won't change. And if you want to change, then this is the point right now. If your talent does not go through the grinding of technique and it doesn't go to the doors of temperament, where you keep coming back, keep hitting hard, keep dying and keep standing still high in front of those storms, then it turns into nothing but that thing that sticks in the toilet. This is the fiqh of teeth, and this is the problem with us. This is what we need to understand, how to take a start, where to take a start, what this. The most difficult part is to understand which battles I need to fight right now. Take a little isolation for yourself and talk to yourself right now. बात करें अपने आप से. Talk to yourself. When was the last time when you really asked some really relevant questions to yourself? Who are you? What are you doing to yourself? Is this what you made for? Is this what you are capable of pulling off? And you will definitely see things are not right. सही नहीं हो रहा कुछ. And this is the starting point of success, is that you ask questions.